Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see tRESTClient component. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, please share with your friends as well. So tRESTClient component interact with RESTful web services by HTTP and HTTPS request. tRESTClient component supports get, post, put, patch, and delete method. Let's see the demo. I have this pre-built REST APIs which I am going to test in the talent. So before creating talent job, let's test this APIs in the Postman. I'm copying this URL and I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to test post method over here, and this is my body. So I'll go into this body, click on raw JSON, and I'll paste the body over here. So using this post method call, I should receive 200 status code and this response. Let's verify this in Postman. Click on send. Yes, I am getting 200 OK response, and body is also same. I have created a talent job. Now I'll create a TREST line component. We will use post method. So we will have to use one more component, T file input raw component to provide the input to TREST client component. Let's configure T file input raw. Since T file input raw component reads the data in form of object, I will require T convert type component which will convert the data type from object to string. I'll create output column called as string, and I'll do manual cast. I'll map this content to string column. Okay. Now I'll connect this T convert type to tREST client. Let's configure tREST client component now. I'll go back to the Postman, copy the URL and paste it over here in the URL section. I have already selected post method. My content type is JSON because I am providing JSON payload. Accept type is also JSON. I'll deselect convert response to DOM document, and I'll create two tlog component. I'll connect response output with one tlog and error output with another tlog. Let's run the job. So as you can see, we are getting one row in the response. Let's verify. We are getting 200 as a status code, and we are getting the response payload as well. This means our REST endpoint is working as expected. So this was about tREST client component. You can try another method as well, like get method, put method, or delete method. I will be posting more videos on the REST APIs, so stay tuned. Thank you.